Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria and I'm the lifestyle blogger behind the website sweetlifehousewife.com. I'm going to open my Stitch Fix today and show y'all what I got for April. I'm really excited because I haven't gotten one in a little while. So they give you the bag to return it if you don't want to keep it. They give you the envelope with the pricing information, which I usually don't look at until later because I like to see what I like without having any influence from cost. And then they also give you the storyboard, which shows different options for outfits, and they write you a little note. Hey Maria, welcome back. Ba, 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 ba. Stuff for spring, basically. So let's see what we've got. This is my bundle. I love, 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 love seeing what they picked for me. Okay, so the first thing is definitely something that I normally would not pick out for myself. I'm going to go ahead and try these things on as well, but just really quick for the unboxing part. This is very on trend for spring. Yellow is huge. This has a knot feature in the front, so I think that'll be a keeper probably. This is a little bit of a fun take on a t-shirt because it has this detailing on the back, so that's cute. The dress I couldn't really make out. I kind of did the cheat where you go through like you're gonna pay and look at what you got, and so I did do a sneak peek. This has potential to be cute, but it's gonna be hard to see the detail probably. And then these are the Vigoss Marley mid-rise short, and it's a luxe stretch. So that's cool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start with my first try-on. These are the jean shorts, and they are stretchy. I love that. They're very comfortable. I'm not sure if you can really see, but they're really cute. I love them, and I love that they are very comfortable. So I'm going to try them on with the other shirt. I still have the jean shorts on. With the other top, it has that detail on the back. Hopefully you can see that. And it's a really cute outfit. I'm going to try the shorts on with the yellow shirt. The yellow top with the knot tie in the front. I really, really like it. I think it's great for spring, and it goes great with these shorts. Now I have the other top. It has sort of a rolled sleeve with this button detail. It's really, actually, it's cuter than I expected. I like it better than I thought I would. It's actually pretty good because it has the 3/4 sleeves for spring, and it's really lightweight. So I think that I'm going to probably want to keep this too. The dress, and I like it way better on than I did off. So this, great. It's got the nice V kind of plunge neck, and it has a little bit of the ruching here. This kind of flows down like that, and it's really, I could wear this to dinners or into all kinds of different things. Whoops. So anyway, that's my fix. I'm interested to see what you got in yours, and if you got any of the same things. I'm about 5'2", and most of my stuff are extra smalls, and I'm going to put the details below in the description box with the pricing and the sizing, so you'll know if you got something, how it looked on somebody my size. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.